Can I use Amazon FBA for my Shopify store? Yes, you can absolutely use Amazon FBA to fulfill orders from your Shopify store. This integration allows you to store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers, and when a customer places an order on Shopify, Amazon automatically packs and ships it on your behalf. It's a powerful setup that gives you access to Amazon's fast delivery network while maintaining full control over your Shopify brand and customer experience. The process works by connecting your Shopify account with Amazon through a fulfillment integration. Once linked, every order from your Shopify store can be synced directly to your FBA inventory. Amazon handles everything, from picking and packing to shipping and tracking, ensuring that your customers receive their products quickly and professionally. This allows you to scale without worrying about manual fulfillment. Many online businesses use this combination to achieve faster delivery times and better logistics management. It's particularly beneficial for Shopify sellers who want to expand their reach but don't have their own warehouse or staff. By leveraging FBA's infrastructure, you can focus more on marketing, product development, and customer satisfaction rather than handling shipping. You can try Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. It instantly gives you access to the best tools to optimize and grow your Amazon FBA business effortlessly.